Today I'm going to show you how to collect a series of Vimeo videos and save them as a single playlist file in VLC. So to get started, in VLC the first thing I'm going to do is open Network by using the shortcut of holding down the Command key while hitting the letter N. You'll be presented with this box asking for the video you want to stream's URL. So if we go to my web browser where I already have a Vimeo page open, I'm going to pick 3 videos from here for my playlist. But in your chosen playlists, you can have as many videos as you want. To get the video URL, we need to hold down the Control key while clicking the video you want's thumbnail, and from the drop-down menu select Copy Link Address. Then go back to VLC and paste the URL in here by using the shortcut of holding down the Command key and hitting the letter V. Then hit Open. Your video should start playing automatically. I'm going to press stop to show you the video listed in the playlist area. To create a longer playlist, all you have to do is repeat this same process until you have all the videos you want. When you have all your videos, you can rearrange them by holding down the title of the video you want to move and dragging it to where you want and then releasing it. When you're happy with your list, come up to File in the menu bar and from the drop-down menu select Save Playlist. From this window, give your file a name. I will call this Sky, and I'm going to save this to my desktop, so I can just leave this as it is. Now, where it says File Format, Extended M3U is selected. However, these files are set to automatically open with iTunes, which we don't want. So if we go into this menu, I can also see we have an HTML playlist option, which automatically opens as a web page, and that's not what we want either. So I found selecting the XSPF file to be the best option, as it is set to automatically open with VLC. To finish, we can just hit save. If we look on my desktop, you can see the sky.xspf file we just created. Now, the upside to this playlist is that unlike other video playlists that are made from files on your computer, you can relocate this file anywhere. But remember, the downside of this playlist is that you always need to have access to the internet for these files to work. This file is just referencing the location of the video, it doesn't hold any of the footage within itself. So, to show you that this file works, let's now delete the contents of VLC's playlist area. Make sure my VLC history is empty, quit the program and quit Chrome as well, and try my playlist by double clicking it. The first video in the playlist will automatically start playing. If I press stop, you can see all the videos I saved, and if I double click this one, it will begin playing. So that was how to create playlists of Vimeo videos in VLC. I encourage you to find ways that work for you to utilize this great feature. In the next video, I will show you how to save your stream videos into M4V files in VLC, so check it out.